Hey brother, look at this. Woohoo! It's the Mega Grom. Woohoo! Doody, doody, doody. Monkey Mark.
There's only one Alan Body. How are you, boy? I'm doing alright, but how are you? Alright, he's having problems with his brain. So what do we do?
You know what to do.
What does that mean? Don't fall off. Green lights on. There's a problem with the green lights on it. The orange lights on it.
It goes off at 5 miles an hour. No, no.
I can't tell it. You stick a little bit, but it's not so bad. It's a tough little thing, isn't it?
Yeah. He wants one there. I think Alan wants a monkey. I think Alan wants a monkey.
Probably a little bit of bind, yeah.
Yeah.
Just drift.
Aye. Howdy folks, Monkey Cookout 19. We're heading to Beacon Fell today, but we've met up at the top barn. Got Dave on his DeVille. We've got 5 monkeys here. Up to now. And you've got the way monkey. Beaver. Well, Bonnie's come on the Mega Grom. So, Mike bought this CB 250.
Oh yeah. Why is it from Lord of the Rings?
45 years ago, brand new, and he's got 125,000 mile on clock now.
Anyway, I'm watching yes before now. Rattle sword.
But it's under.
Still got the original filter.
Yeah. Get that for a Rickman screen.
En dan kost je ons huis.
So folks, as we head off to Beacon Fell on a rainy morning, I'll give you a bit of background on how the Monkey Cookout started. So at Christmas 2022, I was suddenly hit with crippling anxiety. I'd never experienced anything like it. I couldn't leave the house for a fortnight. post out on our Facebook group, The Monkey Revolution, that I was going to go to a rivy barn with my trangia stove to cook my breakfast. When I arrived, there were about a dozen biker friends with cooking stoves set out along the wall. They'd left a space for me. True friendship. And that became Monkey Cookout 1. We've done them at Crosby, Lynn, New Brighton, Trapper Bowland and Knob End, to name a few. This is Monkey Cookout 19 at Beacon Fell.
Anywhere, I'm easy. It's alright, as good as anywhere. Can't hear what you're saying. I'm easy. It's just been hard with that to back brake. It's trying to keep the same kind of speed without using your back brakes. It's been a bit airy, to be honest.
Is he going on his monkey? Look at that sticker there, look at that. Whoa. I know.
Do you know where you are up here, brother?
I just come to follow. I have an idea where I am. So.
We're not far from chipping.
Not having chips.
Oh, right.
Just got to Beacon Fell. Done a loop. What's that?
How long are we here for?
See you now. See you, brother.
That way, it's one way. Yeah, you
One way. Let's go right
Yeah,
round.
you'll get fucked if you go. It's one way. It's one way.
Let's go right round.
And it's that way. See you. Did you get up there? You did not jump up. What did you get? I'm coming around this side.
What do you scammer up there, mate?
Oh, fucking hell. I've not brought me. What's that?
This side,
When you start your ride out. When you start your ride out.
Lucky marks on the burgers. Eat two and all. He's brought another one. He brought a spare one.
I don't think I've eaten two of
Air
them.
and a spare.
I didn't realise they were that big.
It's like, oh, shrink that, Will. And show us what you got, Alan.
thin cut, they're matured beef steak.
Hold it up. Look at that.
Beef steak.
I can't see it through trees. Hang on. There we go. There, look at that. Hang on.
Can't see woods for the tree.
There we go.
Is it zoomed in?
It is. There with steak.
Oh, got me out there.
Blind boiled eggs. Pigs in blankets.
Right.
Breakfast of champions. Keep the stove on there. Beautiful surroundings. So it's the invisible flame.
Where were you going? It's more effective. Yeah,
Not really.
It will do, yeah, but it's just a case of it feels in now, you know, hot.
That's what you said.
there is a bit of sun now anyway. It's still up weather outlook. It's been a bit wet, right? But
He's hiding in the trees.
a song, isn't it? You can't think what it is what you're saying, isn't it?
Bloody hell. I thought your balls had dropped.
It's possible.
So, what kind of stove have you got?
A soto stove.
A soto stove?
Oh, you where is it now? Where is it now? Can't see it, is it there? There you are, a soto. You see that there? Soto stove.
Soto?
Soto. Japanese. Hey, very good them looking Japanese boys.
I can't use that.
No, definitely done that,
No, but they're very good at doing what they do in manufacturing stuff, aren't they? You know what I mean? I know what you're saying, I know what you're coming from.
No, I don't know. What do you mean?
Wild man of the woods. Soto.
That's all you want, but I'm not.
There is steak. Here he is, Mr. Bonnie. Alan shows you steaks. Alan shows you steaks.
3 left now, or 3.5 now.
Where is he? Oh, he's here.
You're not having them on a blanket, eh?
Well, I can eat it bread at the same time, but I have to cut it with a knife at the same time.
What's the ready slice down?
Bloody hell, fuck you then. Fuck you then.
Just don't think I'm asleep.
You've not got. If you've not got it, it doesn't exist.
Look, I've even got Karangas. You've got that. 20 cartridges, 6 cartridges for 20 quid.
Is that good value?
Yeah, very good.
And how long does one of them last? In hours or minutes?
Quite a while. There you go.
I think that will do now, huh?
Looking nice, that.
That's over man, that one of yours. You can't regulate that, can you?
Yeah, you can. Got a regulating ring.
Oh, you mean that you've got I've got one of them, I know what you mean. Yeah.
You've got a Sanji, haven't you?
It's keyed up you.
Tell us what you're not. What have you not got?
I don't even want to go over it.
We've not got time, have we?
It's coming off. It's coming off. It's done. Looks nice, that. So Griff, the wild man of the woods, has found a den. So let's go and have a look at it. Hey, look at this. Bloody hell. It's properly made there, isn't it?
I can just see Alan coming in of a night, getting his stuff and
Sleeping there.
You can have a fire there.
Look at that. Bloody hell, proper fire pit and everything, Reet. Look at that. That is belting, isn't it?
It's neat.
So yeah, this has been built here. Look at this. Properly well made, that. Look at that. You even see at the top there it's all dry. All dry. And you've got a little place for a fire. Get me sent in. Look at that then. Wild man of the woods. La Caliper.
Hey?
La Caliper.
See you, boys.
See you, Griff. Hi, Al.
It's going to be like beans.
Go, let's see you in this, Alan.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, come on, let's see you in this.
What is this doghouse?
Aye.
Red Flintstone shack.
Kennel.
The picture really, you have to with polythene with them, you need food with them, chuck moss and and then chucked another layer of wood on it, and then chucked some moss on it, then it would be bone dry then.
Get in. It even fits an Alan.
Not so
Just
bad.
about.
Not so bad.
Melting loads of room there, lad. Absolutely. Spanning that. Alan, tell everyone where we are.
Beaconfell, Country Park.
Alan's just informed me when I said before, I don't know where we've come. We've come to Beaconfell.
Beaconfell.
Beaconfell, Country Park. And there's Alan over there, Mr. Money. The superstar.
Viva!
Viva the monkey.
Viva the Monkey Revolution.
I hope he don't bugger off before he shows us the way out.
This is our last